Good afternoon. My name is Robert Gregg, and I represent people who are injured in accidents, and usually the Dallas and Fort Worth area. Today, I'd like to talk to you about what you do if you are injured in an accident. First thing you do is you need to go to the doctor at the first sign of any injury at all, or even before the first sign of an injury. What do I mean by that? See your doctor immediately after the accident, even if you don't feel any pain at all. After representing many injured clients, I can say with near certainty that you will feel worse a day after the injury than you do immediately after the accident. Don't assume that just because you don't feel immediate pain that you have not been injured. I'm not a doctor and I can't explain this in medical terms, but our bodies don't exhibit symptoms of soft tissue injuries immediately. If you break your arm, you know it right away. But if you sprain your neck or back, you may not really feel that pain until a couple of days later. Then by the time you can get in to see your doctor, you may be in excruciating pain. It's much better to go ahead and see the doctor right after your accident and let your doctor start some preventative care so that when your symptoms do appear, they may not be as severe as if you had not gone in the first place. There's another reason to see a doctor immediately. After an accident, many people try to tough it out, even though they may be in great pain and in need of medical care. Some people are even embarrassed to ride in an ambulance. This will be used against you by the insurance company later on. The adjuster will say, well, if you were really hurt in an accident, why didn't you immediately go see a doctor? Also, an insurance adjuster may argue that the failure to see a doctor immediately indicates that the injury must have resulted from an unrelated event after the accident. The longer you wait for medical treatment, the more difficult it will be to positively connect injuries to the accident. If you or a loved one has been injured in an accident, call the law office of Robert Gregg. We will help seek justice.